Okay, well, Mr. Beneficiary, take you and your trust back to jail.
Permission
I ask the questions, you give the answers. Is that clear?
Mr. Beneficiary, you should not talk over to the court. I thank you very much. Thank you.
That is not fair. You cannot do this. Under oath and on record, you cannot do this.
If you're not Mr. Pollard, then you're not here. The warrant will be for your arrest, and you can sit in jail till you rot for all I care.
That's fine, Your Honor, but that's
Deputy, you can remove him. He's not here.
he's not here today.
Alright guys, today we've got a super dangerous sovereign citizen in court. He's got 4 hearings in one day, and gives every judge a hard time. This man is no joke. He's done some really bad things. I won't spoil it yet, but trust me, you won't believe how he acts like the rules don't apply to him. Luckily, the judges in this video handle him perfectly. Let me know in the comments what you think this guy deserves for his crimes. You're going to want to stick around. Let's get in.
What's his name?
The beneficiary.
Yeah, first name, Mr. Beneficiary.
Are you stating that the trust that we are administrating is the Kevin Pollard Trust? If so,
I'm asking you what your name is.
my name is the beneficiary of the trust.
Of whose trust?
Are you stating that the trust that we are now administrating is the Kevin Pollard Trust, Your Honor?
Okay, I'm
If so,
gonna recall him. Bring up somebody else. Put him aside. We'll call him at the end. Sir, is your name the beneficiary Kevin Teron Anthony Pollard? Yes or no?
I'm the beneficiary of the trust, Your Honor. Are you stating that the trust that we are now administrating is the Kevin Pollard Trust?
Are you Kevin Pollard? I'm asking you.
Is the trust that we are now administrating?
Sir, I ask the questions here. You give me yes or no answers.
You're asking for my permission
to ask the questions. You give the answers. Is that clear?
It's very clear.
Okay, listen.
Yes.
Are you also known by the name of Kevin Pollard amongst other names? Yes or no?
Are you stating that the trust that we are now administrating is the Kevin Pollard Trust, Your Honor? If so, Kevin Pollard is in fact present today. It is you that is Kevin Pollard, Your Honor. It is you.
Really?
Yes, Your Honor.
Really?
It is you that is Kevin Pollard. Yes, Your Honor.
Kevin Pollard.
You are Kevin Pollard today, Your Honor. I am the beneficiary.
And then who are you?
I am the beneficiary of the trust.
Okay, well, Mr. Beneficiary, take you and your trust back to jail.
I have some questions for the clerk, Your Honor.
No.
I have. Can I speak to the clerk before we go any further?
You know what? I'm gonna put you in timeout. Get your mind right, Mr. Pollard.
Yes, sir. Can I have the clerk present, please, Your Honor?
Don't give in.
Please have the clerk present in a Zoom meeting.
You know what? If you answer my questions, I'll consider it.
Okay. What's the question?
What's your name?
The beneficiary.
All right, Mr. Beneficiary, put you back in timeout.
He's a legend. Finally, a judge who doesn't let people run their mouths with no punishment. He's got that I already counted to 3 kind of energy, no games. It's so nice to see because some judges just let chaos happen in their courtroom. Under contempt of court laws, judges can kick you out, fine you, or even jail you if you act up. So when they don't use that power, courtrooms turn into reality TV. This judge though, solid 10 out of 10 for keeping order. Some people might say he's too harsh, but honestly, we need more.
I'm going to give you another chance in front of another magistrate.
That's no problem. Can I have the clerk present, please?
Hey, sir, I'm Magistrate Chartea. DDC.
Excuse me? Yeah.
I'm talking to the DDC officer.
Yes.
DDC?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The gentleman that is in front of the screen, in front of camera 1, what name do you have him listed as?
Kevin Pollard.
Do you have a middle name?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a Kevin Pollard. Okay, and sir, you're identified as Kevin Pollard, but you're considering yourself the beneficiary. Is that correct, sir?
Are we on the record?
We are. Everything is on the record.
Okay, are you stating that the trust that we are now administrating is the Kevin Pollard trust, ma'am?
I'm not administrating any trust because there is no trust in front of me. But what I'm asking you is, you call yourself the beneficiary. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, no problem. I have case number is 240-5538101. People of the state of Michigan versus Kevin Theron Anthony Pollard, who is listed by DDC as Kevin Pollard. However, the gentleman has identified himself as the beneficiary.
You representing as Kevin Pollard today, Your Honor?
Mr. Pollard,
I'm not.
Mr. Pollard, now, as your counsel, I am going to advise that you stop speaking and allow the judge to speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel Kirkland.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Shava Kirkland on behalf of Mr. Pollard, who has been advised of his rights, wishes to stand mute and waive the formal reading.
Thank you. I'm going to enter plea of not guilty. Court dates are February 2nd, 2024. It is a probable cause conference, followed by preliminary examination, February 8th, 1:30 p.m. Both matters are in front of Judge King. The probable cause conference, it is at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Beneficiary, Mr. Beneficiary, you should not talk over to the court. I thank you very much.
You are under oath and you are on record. And I'm asking you,
beneficiary, I have not sworn you under oath. I am under oath, so I am doing all this. I'm going to enter plea of not guilty. I already given the court dates while this case is pending, sir. Okay, there should be no contact with the individual.
You are not allowed to state what the judgment is. That is my job.
Mr. Pollard, I do want to let you know that the person.
Okay.
I have a question for the clerk.
Okay.
I have a question for the clerk.
For a moment.
I have a question for the clerk.
You will give an opportunity, sir. You will give an opportunity. Let me finish. The people, go ahead, Esteban.
Yeah, the people are asking for $250,000 cash bond, no cash, no surety. If he's able to ever post bond, we'd like GPS tether with home arrest. The defendant, Your Honor, has a continuing situation where he entices young girls on the internet from Arizona in this particular case, and previously on 10/23/2023 in another case where he enticed people.
This guy should have been charged with contempt already. He's openly disrespecting the court, like the whole thing's a joke. He acts like nothing he does will have real consequences. And worse, he's influencing younger people to act the same way. That's messed up. It's bad enough to ruin your own life, but dragging others down with you? That's next level. This case is serious, but he's treating it like it's no big deal. Usually, sovereign citizens act like this for small stuff like driving tickets, but this guy is facing serious prison time. He's not just a danger to himself, he's a danger to everyone around him. Scary to think he might walk.
2015, the 10/21/2023 case where he was criminal sexual conduct first degree and also contributing alcohol to a minor, 2 counts of that, was at the exam dismissed without prejudice. In our particular case we have here today, she came here after having a relationship, not the victim, but one of the witnesses came here after having a 3-year relationship with this defendant on the internet. When she turned 18, she came to visit. And also Mr. Pollard introduced her to another girl who is also from Arizona. The other girl brought her niece or her, I forgot the relationship, but her 7-year-old niece with her to visit Mr. Pollard. And what happened then, because the person was tired from traveling, she fell asleep in the living room. When she woke up, she went into the bedroom, and there was Mr. Pollard with the 7-year-old girl. He then said, "What are you doing?" And he says, "Well, we're playing video games." So the woman, the adult in the room, she falls asleep again. And then she is awakened by the 7-year-old girl and asked to leave. The 7-year-old girl then tells her mother that Mr. Pollard touched her rubbed her, he says, okay? He said, you know, accidentally is what he's trying to tell us what happened. The situation is she's told the 7-year-old child has told TED Talk that he did this. He's told Protective Services that he did this. And as far as I'm concerned, Judge, he fits the category of a predator because he did the same thing in the 1023-2023 case of enticing young people from other parts of the country, perhaps, I don't know where exactly, to come and see him on the internet. So we're asking for
Sorry for the quick cuts, guys. I can't say age is here because of YouTube rules. But his dude is seriously dangerous. Not just a random guy but a full-on predator. On top of that, he's part of the Hebrew Israelite movement, which is basically another version of sovereign citizens with some extreme and hateful beliefs. So yeah, that makes him an even bigger threat. The prosecutor in this case is doing an amazing job calling him out. You can tell the whole case is falling apart for this guy. But then, the judge drops a bomb. After hearing everything, all the disturbing stuff involving minors, alcohol, and manipulation, the judge decides the $250,000 bond isn't enough that he raises it to $1 million cash. When I heard that, I was shocked. But honestly, it's fair. That kind of bond makes sure he stays behind bars and doesn't walk out. If somehow he does post bail, he'll be under strict house arrest with no contact with anyone under 18. And you can tell, the judge, the prosecutor, even his own lawyer, none of them are on his side. They all know how dangerous he is. Honestly, I doubt he'll ever post that bond, and I hope he doesn't. Next up, we've got another hearing, and this judge doesn't play games at all. He's strict, calm, and shuts the sovereign citizen down immediately. The defendant refuses to say his name, talks nonsense about being a beneficiary of a trust, and keeps trying to argue that the court has no power over him. But the judge doesn't waste a second. He warns him once, then tells the deputies to remove him from court. Just like that, handled. I love seeing judges deal with sovereign citizens like this. No yelling, no emotions, just straight law. This man clearly has some serious mental issues. He's not just confused, he's dangerous, manipulative, and delusional. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if he's done a lot more terrible things that haven't even come out yet. So yeah, this was one of the wildest court hearings I've seen in a while. Seeing him get that $1 million bond and watching the judge shut him down was so satisfying. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns like this. I post new clips every single day, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.